How to fix Zipcar app unlocking issues. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, in the official article of Zipcar, you'll find I'm having trouble unlocking with my phone. What should I do? First, confirm location services, Bluetooth and data are enabled in your phone setting. If Bluetooth is already on, try toggling it off and back on. Grant precise location access to the Zipcar app when prompted. And then be sure you're standing right next to the car. If all else fails, you can try using your zip card as well. Make sure you keep your zip card with you in case service isn't available, and you can confirm unlock. And this is how to fix Zipcar app unlocking issues. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.